Hi, I'm Kaylee from GLK News. Dish just in, breaking news, a 1-mile wide tornado in Oklahoma City has just been spotted. Here is Gabby with some more information.
Hi, my name is Gabby from GLK News. This tornado watch was issued at 3:30 p.m. for central and eastern Oklahoma. The warning was issued at 5:56 p.m., both on May 31st, 2013. It was an unexpected tornado. Here is Lena live at the scene. Hi, this is Gabby from GLK News, live from the aftermath of the tornado. The total cost of the tornado is $1.56 million. 5 people have died in this tragedy. Come here, sir. What is your name?
Fernando Harris.
Fernando Harris. What happened here?
No, I never thought it would happen.
Do you have anything to say about it?
It just came so fast. All of my food, my car, my dog Toto.
Was Toto very special in your life?
He was. I kept him in my basket all the time.
Tornadoes are normally formed when a thunderstorm occurs. The most common type of thunderstorm for forming tornadoes is the supercell. This is because this type of storm already has rotation occurring within it, called a mesocycle. The tornado starts forming when a downdraft brings the mesocycle down near the ground, starting the creation of a vortex.
The next step of the cycle starts when the cloud's wall is formed. This happens when the vortex starts drawing down the cloud into a funnel. The most dangerous part of the tornado is not the visible part of its winds created by the high-pressure air being stuck into the tornado. This is what creates the dispersion path seen after a tornado passes.
The next step is a matron and strengthening of the tornado. Like any other major storm phenomena, a tornado needs energy to increase in strength and strengthen itself. The source of energy is the most warm air that is drawn into the tornado. The matron part of the tornado's life cycle is the most destructive since it not only increases it intensely but also can last a long period of time.
Tornadoes don't just form singly. They can also form in groups called families or outbreaks. These are often weaker tornadoes created by the intense rotation of a strong and larger tornado. While weaker, the biggest tornado ever can create a lot of damage.
Alright, what you need in case of a tornado warning, a safety kit. You need a lamp, a warm fuzzy blanket, some extra food, non-perishable foods, some batteries, water, lots of water, and some duct tape.
Science. I love saying the word science.
Not as much as I love science class.
Go science!
Woo!
Hi, this is Gabby from GLC.
Hey!
Hi, from GLK News. Wait, can we cut this part out? What's your name? Marco Polo.
You know a tornado's coming when the clouds start getting gray and thick. Before a tornado occurs, there's a rapid thunderstorm, and they're very usually